Hello, sir.
Hello, myself Sanjay.
What is your child's name?
Siddhant Dad,
Which school he is from?
Ryan International, class 6.
How he is liking painting, sir?
So he is liking very much. Actually, it's a simple, similar to game actually. So he is generally playing with those, and even phone is having that feature. So that's very good for practice.
So does he play Ken on app as well?
Yeah.
And how about the preparatory book which we have provided?
So that's actually very good. Based on that, he has done 4 by 4 and 5 by 5. So, and I think class has given some introductory level for 3 by 3. So that's very good. Based on that, basically small knowledge, he has grown up to 5 by 5.
Do you also play sir?
No, I don't know.
Have you seen your kid playing that?
I have seen that there is some logic of plus, minus, and division, multiplication. So, but I didn't get that much. What I can say beyond that.
That's fine, sir. How your kid is liking it? Is he, do you have to guide him or he is on his own to take it?
He is doing on his own because I have not seen that much in detail, so I cannot help him on that much.
While he is doing this particular thing, is he enjoying it or not?
Yeah, he is very enjoying, and he is doing some advanced levels also, 6 by 6 kind of thing, but he is trying hard on that. So maybe some classes or some maybe some guidance would be required for higher levels, I suppose that.
And sir, I just wanted to ask the one thing which features about Ken is we want to add the logic development. Okay, so there are two parts of education. One is memory and one is the logic. Okay, life throws us the situation where we doesn't have a pre-subscribed solution to it. So the whole idea of this particular thing is to develop the logic part into the curriculum. What is your thought about it?
That means
Do you think it is required logic development or
logic development. There are many things in maths which requires logic basically. So logic development part of syllabus already, in which mathematics is already covered. Some permutation, combinations, something like that. So it's there, I suppose. But this is something different kind of logics which can be developed across. So I don't know it should be included in curriculum or not.
So including the curriculum is not we are talking about, but we are thinking that do you encourage this kind of thing? If given a chance, you have seen the love which your kid has, would you recommend it to your friend that there's something called Ken?
Yeah, it can be. It's good actually. It can be done that way.
Thanks a lot, sir.